Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on MySpace. If you want to become someone's friend on MySpace, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your MySpace application, or you can simply visit your web browser and in the address bar type in myspace.com and search. As soon as you reach the home page of MySpace, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the hamburger menu at the top left corner in order to bring up an expanded menu. In order to add friends on your MySpace, simply tap on the Profiles tab. And soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you can connect with people. Now, in the search box at the top, you can either type in a name or the name of an artist that you'd like to connect with. In my case, I'm gonna type in a name. Once you type in the person's name, you'll be able to see their profile. Once you end up in their profile, simply tap on this link right here at the top right hand, and it will help you connect to the person. Tap on the connect button in the bottom left corner and tap on done at the top right. And with this, you'll be able to connect with someone or add them in on your MySpace. As soon as they accept your request, they'll be added to your friend list. That is how you can quickly add friends on your MySpace account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.